Hello viewers, welcome to RJ's Botany. Today's topic is about biological classification. Aristotle was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification, and he also used simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs and herbs. So Aristotle first proposed classification of living organisms into plants and animals. And Linnaeus classified living organisms into two kingdoms, that is Plantae and Animalia. So this two kingdom classification didn't distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, unicellular and multicellular organisms, and photosynthetic and not non-photosynthetic organisms like green algae and fungi. So classification of organisms into plants and animals was easily done and was easy to understand. But a large number of organisms didn't fall into either category. Hence, the two kingdom classification used for a long time was found inadequate. So, Ernest Haeckel in 1866 proposed three kingdom classification, that is Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Aristotle dita plants and animal group identify करथिले, but Linnaeus dita kingdom कले जोथि कि Plantae गोटे रहिला plants पे, Animalia हला animals पे. But Ernest Haeckel proposed कले three kingdom classification and added another kingdom, that is Protista, Plantae and Animalia. Herbert Copeland in 1956 proposed four kingdom classification and added as Monera, number 2 as Protista, Plantae, then Animalia. These are four kingdom classification done by Herbert Copeland. But finally, R.H. Whitaker in 1969 proposed five kingdom classification, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. And he used following criteria for classification. किछटा criteria को लेके classify कले, जेमती के cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction and phylogenetic relationship. यही पांचटा को किछटा criteria को लेके से कौन कले mode of nutrition, reproduction, phylogenetic relationship, ये सब cell केमते हेइथिबो, body तार केमते organized हेइथिबो, कौन कौन nutrition nourishment से मन पाउथिबे, reproduce केमिति करथिबे, जेमते reproduction में भी asexual, vegetative हे परिबो, sexual हे परिबो. तो बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन केमती हेइची, यूनिसेलुलर कि मल्टीसेलुलर, गोटे सिंगल सेल कि सिंगल कोष रे तयार हेइची ना बहुत सारा कोष को लेके तयार हेइची, ई सब को लेके से डिफरेंट कैटेगरी रे डिवाइड करले. R.H. Whitaker included bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperms and angiosperms under plants. Coming to the five kingdom classification, the first kingdom is Monera. Monera is a kingdom which includes all bacteria like microorganisms. It may be unicellular, means single cell रे तयार हेइथिबो, single cell. तो so unicellular जब बहुत सारा cell को लेके हेइथिबो ताले multicellular. Prokaryotes means pro means primitive, karyotes is derived from karyon, which means nucleus. So all the bacteria are under kingdom Monera. Unicellular prokaryotes, and the cell wall of bacteria are composed of chemical, that is peptidoglycan, and the circular naked DNA. तो जो बैक्टीरिया सेल वॉल जोटा थिबो सेटा हला पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन रे तयार हेचे, गोटे कार्बोहाइड्रेट, सर्कुलर नेकेड डीएनए, सर्कुलर टाइप रे थिबो, कोनोसी नेकेड माने खाली, कोनोसी वेल डेवलप्ड न्यूक्लियस नाही, तो सर्कुलर नेकेड डीएनए. रिप्रोडक्शन बाय बाइनरी फ्यूजन, माने बैक्टीरिया गोडा दी भाग होईकी fusion, binary fusion through reproduce करचोंदी. Next is membrane bound organelles are absent. All membrane bound organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, which are present in eukaryotes, those are absent in kingdom Monera, which comes under prokaryotes. Examples like bacteria, BGA, which is a blue-green algae, and it is also called as cyanobacteria, archaebacteria. So compared to many other organisms, bacteria as a group show the most extensive metabolic diversity. Some of the bacteria are autotrophic, like they synthesize their own food from inorganic substrate. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic or chemosynthetic autotrophic, and the vast majority of bacteria are heterotrophs. That means they do not synthesize their own food but depends on other organism or other dead organic matter for their food. Coming to the next kingdom, that is Protista. Protista or single cell eukaryotes are placed under protista. So it is a unicellular, means single cell, but it is a eukaryotes. Mone rahela kona na seda hela prokaryotes under jauchi, but protista hela eukaryotes. Eu means true and karyotes is derived from karyon, which means nucleus. It is protista is unicellular, but it is a eukaryotes. Cell wall is also present, that is cell wall present hochi, membrane bound organelles are also present, autotrophic nutrition, and reproduced by asexual and both asexual and sexual method. But members of protista are primarily aquatic, so this kingdom forms a link with others dealing with plants, animals and fungi. Being eukaryotes, the protista cell body contains a well-defined nucleus thiba and other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella, which are long hair-like structure thiba, jemti ki flagella, or cilia, short hair-like structures. So by a reproduction process involving cell fusion and zygote formation. This is all about protista. Example like dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, euglenoids, etc. Coming to the next kingdom, that is fungi. Fungi, it is a unicellular. Example like yeast, mushrooms, these are all under kingdom fungi. So fungi show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. For example, when your bread develop a mold or your orange rots, it is because of fungi. तो देखिए bread ऊपर है किसी फिम्पी टाइप रो बसई तो सेटा हला कण fungi. The common mushrooms you eat and toadstools are also fungi. White spots on the mustard leaves are due to parasitic fungus. Some unicellular fungi like yeast are used to make bread, beer, etc. So coming to the characters of fungi, that is unicellular, it is single cell. Some are also multicellular. It is under eukaryotes, and the component of cell wall is chitin, which is a carbohydrate. Achlorophyllus means doesn't contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is absent. Heterotrophic nutrition, maybe it is parasitic or saprophytic. So as most fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrate, so they are saprophytes, and those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasite. And some can also live as symbionts, means association with algae as lichen. Fungi or algae association को खोजे lichen, and with roots of higher plant it is called as mycorrhiza. And the reproduction of fungi are by vegetative, means कोनोसी plant रो part रो हेई थाई पारे. Asexual माने both parents involvement नथिबो, and sexual means both male and female sex रो involvement थिबो. Thread like branch structure called mycelia and individual branches called hypha. Hypha कोन? Their bodies consist of long slender thread like structure called hypha, and the network of hypha is known as mycelium. किछिटा लंबा सिलिंडर टाइप रो थ्रेड टाइप रो सरू सरू टाइप रो देखिबो थिबो लंबा टाइप रो थ्रेड स्ट्रक्चर सेटा हला हाइफा, एंड से बहुत सारा हाइफा मिसिले माइसेलियम फॉर्मेशन होची. सो सम हाइफा आर कंटीन्यूअस ट्यूब फिल्ड विथ मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड cytoplasm. These are called sinusitic hypha. So reproduction in fungi can take place by vegetative means like fragmentation, fission and budding, and asexual reproduction is by spores and called conidia or sporangiospores or zoospores, and sexual reproduction by oospore, ascospore, basidiospores. So the various spores are produced in distinct structure called fruiting bodies. Sexual cycle involves some of the steps like plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis and zygote resulting in haploid spores. So when a fungus reproduces sexually, two haploid hypha of compatibility matching types come together and then fuse. So coming to the next kingdom, that is plantae. Plantae means जितक plants अच्छे सब under जीवो. So it is a eukaryotes, and it is also called as producers, as green plants are called as producers. And the cell wall which is made up of is known as cellulose and hemicellulose. जो सेल वॉल रे प्लांट रो अछि, सेल एनिमल रे सेल वॉल नाही, बट प्लांट रे सेल वॉल अछि. तो सेटा हला सेलुलोज एंड हेमिसेलुलोज. रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल इज स्टार्च. जहाँ फूड रिजर्व कर रखिबो सेटा हला तार स्टार्च and contains chlorophyll, as green plants are green in color because of chlorophyll. And reproduction may be vegetative, asexual and sexual. So plant cells have an eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplast, and cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. Reproduction may be vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Contain chlorophyll. Kingdom Plantae include algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, and angiosperms. Coming to the next kingdom, that is Animalia, which includes animals. It is also under eukaryotes, means true nucleus are present, but it is multicellular. Many cells are present. It lacks cell wall, and animals are called as consumers, but green plants are called as producers. Nutrition by heterotrophic nutrition, so locomotion, movement jehetu hochi, so locomotion. Body organization may be cellular, tissue, or organ system level. Reserve food is glycogen and reproduction by sexual method. Animals for reproduction ja hochi seta both male and female gametes represent hochi, so it is the involvement of both male and female, so it is a sexual method. Examples like Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Chordates. ये सब गुड़ा तमें ये सब जितक अच्छी ये सब फाइलम गुड़ा तमें किंगडम एनिमलिया अंडर पढ़ो, बट जूलॉजी रे ये सब डिटेल्स ऊपर पढ़ो. Animals that directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. They digest their food in an internal cavity and store food reserves as glycogen or fat. The mode of nutrition is holozoic, meaning ingestion of food. They allow a definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have definite shape and size. And higher forms shows elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanism. Most of them also show capable of locomotion. So, kingdom Animalia is the largest kingdom. It is also called as Metazoa, and Plantae is Metaphyta, and Fungi kingdom, which is called as Mycota. This is all about 5 kingdom classification. Hope you like this video. Thank you.